What's going on, everybody? Another day of RC. Yesterday I was out hiking in the Sierras. Today I'm going to a no prep cash days in Antioch, California, about an hour and a half from where I live, towards the Bay Area. So gonna head down there. John Schultz came up from SoCal to hang out. Some of the guys that I work with are racing, and just a bunch of guys from the area in general. I have not gone to a cash days race yet. I did not bring my vehicle. Say hello to some friends that I haven't seen in person in quite a while, and still maintain all of my social distancing and all of that. So let's go have some fun, more RC this weekend. All right, we're here. Turnout is no joke. Chino.
Hey, gorgeous. You can see it's already been Mustang.
Perfect. I wore an Element shirt just for John.
I love your shirt. You only have like 27 of them. You know this is not a crawling event, correct?
I know. That's why I brought a lipo bag though.
Oh, just in case. Did you bring your car?
I didn't bring anything.
Well, you can put a battery in that. You can race that. 13.5.
All right, I'm gonna race Schultz's stock car.
You're driving a basically a box stock DR10. I geared it up a little bit, and you're gonna send it. Actually, I'm gonna. You guys bring it with you. If your chip has nothing on it, you gotta buy one. Okay, here we go. Left lane, you ready?
Yes.
Right lane, you ready? Ready. Watch the light. Back it up. Behind the. Good. Okay, left lane ready? Yep. Right lane ready. Watch the light. Green lane, red light on the green car. Lost anyway. The fours.
Good job, John. Nice car.
That's all the box anyway. Do anything to it.
So stock DR10 with the right color body on it, at least.
Yeah, the only reason why you run the box is it's orange.
John's in the far lane, Dan's in the near. John got him by a couple cars.
Right lane ready. Watch the light, fellas.
Got Schultz in the far lane. All right, that's first round of no prep. We're gonna go back to round 2 of 13.5, so I'm up again.
John won. And he crossed.
Chino in the near side Mustang. We'll see if he aims for me again. This is the loser's bracket of the no prep class. He didn't aim for me, but he aimed for somebody. Yep.
You got something. I'll wait.
Okay. big X-Max with a big ass wheelie bar versus what looks like an infraction with another huge wheelie bar. Getting into the final rounds now. Good luck, Dan. Oh! Got Dan Wilson in the near lane.
Right lane ready? Yeah.
Schultz in the near lane and another DR10 in the far lane. Whoa!
Left lane!
Left lane ready? Right lane ready?
Money race here between Schultz and Dan.
Left lane ready?
Left lane ready.
Right lane ready? Right lane ready?
Wow.
Left lane ready? Yep. Right lane ready? Yep. Left lane ready? Yes. Right lane ready? Whoa!
So these are the three guys in the winner's bracket, or the A bracket. The winner of them will race the winner of the B bracket. Winner of the B bracket will have to beat them twice to have a chance to take it. So now Chris, the winner of that, will have to race the winner of the B bracket. All right, Chris is in the far lane with an extreme carbon fiber chassis. Ed is in the near lane, I believe, with a slash base. If Chris wins, he wins it all. If Ed wins, he has to repeat and beat Chris again.
Left lane! Left lane!
Hey, watch out for the wind though, Chris. You don't want to go chasing that shit.
Thank you.
Major threat, extreme chassis, all right. What are you running electronics?
Macklin 4.5, Hobby Lane GR10 or XR10.
What's the body, Chris?
Right now it's rim motor versus
Karma GPO.
min motor.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And
Some awesome racing today. There's 3 classes total, 13.5, Outlaw, and then No Prep. No Prep had over 45 cars in just that one class, so lots of cars. Winner takes all. So Chris Silva took money with the no prep win. Overall, some crazy fast cars and some tricky conditions when the wind would pick up. But no matter what, fun watching, it's fun hanging out. Let's see how this video comes out. Hopefully worth going and shooting some more of these, and I need to get my no prep car finished as well. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button if you do. Subscribe if you're not already. See you on the next one.